Welcome back to the Physics Tutor. In this video, I want to show you why the circumference of a circle is 2 pi times its radius. As we know, the formula is a kind of basic, and we even use it very often, especially when we deal with the angle of a circle in radians and some other geometry-related problems, including trigonometry. That said, now let's crack the code. The formula for the circumference is c equals 2 pi r, where c is the circumference, pi is our mystical number, and r is the radius of the circle. In simpler terms, based on mathematical logic, if you take a string and stretch it around the circle's edge, the length of that string would be the circumference. Correct? That means the formula helps us calculate this length efficiently, just from the radius. As you may noticed already, in this video, the rotation while the wheel is experiencing straight line motion. Let's focus on a special, but very common, rolling situation, where a wheel rolls without slipping along a horizontal surface. And in that case, did the length match with the circumference of the circle? Yes, for a circle of radius 1 unit, the circumference came out to be about 6.28 units. So, the circumference equals 2 times pi times radius, or pi times diameter, where pi is a constant equals approximately 3.14. Remember, pi is an irrational number. If you're curious, the first million digits of pi are quite fascinating. If you find this information interesting and useful, hit that like button and feel free to share. Also, please subscribe to our channel if you have not done that already. It means a lot to us, and you won't miss any videos related to mathematics and physics problems. Until the next video, please stay curious.